What if I told you guys I found the perfect wig for beginners? No more bleaching, plucking, or even doing your own baby hairs. This wig came 100% customized. Hey Rebels, the wig that I'll be reviewing today is from Nadula Hair Company. The wig they sent me is their 26-inch 7x5 lace frontal wig, meaning it's not a frontal, but it's not a closure. It's bigger than a closure wig, but the parting space on it is smaller than an actual frontal wig. But the lace on this wig is transparent, and the density of the hair is 180% density. I fell in love with this wig when I first seen it, y'all, because for one, the wig is so full. Like, it says that it's 180% density, but it's definitely given 250%. Also, the lace is already customized for me. I didn't have to go through the hassle of bleaching or plucking the lace. And can you believe it came with the baby hairs already customized in for me? Y'all, this wig is definitely a game changer and a must-have for the fall. So, before I put the wig on, I just went ahead and curled it first. Once I was done curling the whole hair, I tried it on. Y'all, I am so impressed. Look at this. No, look at this. This is what it looks like already. No glue or sprays needed. This wig also did come with an elastic band on the back. So I went ahead and tightened it before putting the wig on so that it would fit my head perfectly. Like I said, you don't have to use any adhesives, but I'm just going to go ahead and use a little bit of my lace adhesive spray from the Ebin brand to tack down that lace for extra security. Once that lace is tacked down, I'm taking my edge control and a little edge brush just to swoop my baby hairs into place. Once that's done, I'm going to take an edge band and tie my baby hairs down and tie that lace down. Make sure it's nice and melted. And while I'm waiting for my lace to melt, I'm just going to start taking the pins out of my curls, running my fingers through the curls, and just, you know, making sure my curls are perfect. This might be one of the best wigs that I've gotten from Nadula Hair Company. The hair really does hold a curl really nicely. As you can see, my curls are still nice and tight as I'm combing through them. They still look really good. So now that my curls are perfectly in place, I'm going to go ahead and take that edge band off. Make sure my lace is melted, and as you can see, the top of my wig is a little big. So I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just pressing down the top of that hair just to make it a little bit more flatter and look more natural. We are almost done. Before we finish up, I'm going to take some oil sheen and I'm going to spray that all over the hair, just to get rid of the flyaways. And I don't know, I really like this oil sheen because it is very lightweight and it also gives the hair a shine without weighing the hair down. So yes, guys, before we finish up, I'm just going to take my makeup brush that I used for my eyebrows today. It still has a little bit of product on it, and I'm just going to run that in the middle of my part just so that you cannot see my cap underneath. And yeah, guys, this is the finished look. Literally one of the easiest wig installs I've ever done. It was easy, but it still looks efficient. I don't know, y'all. I love it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this wig. If you're interested, all the details will be down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys. Smooches.
Nadula.